Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to import reviews from Amazon to Shopify. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify.com, and I'm currently logged in with my account. So from here, what I'm going to do first is go into the search bar and type in review importer. And then you would have this results, no results found if you haven't downloaded any review importer apps yet. In this case, you can press enter on your keyboard, or you can just click here on Shopify App Store. And then from here, you would have the search results right here on the apps that can import the reviews for you. So there are a lot of apps, there are a lot of options that you can use right here. So if you're only going for the free plan, then you can see the apps that has free plans right here, and then you can see which apps can import Amazon reviews. As you can see, this one can import Amazon right here, and this one also, and so on right here. There are a lot of apps, but what I'm going to show you today is this app right here, because this is what I've been using and it's really great even just for a free plan. So this is what we're gonna be doing for this video. So click on this one and we're gonna install this product, open new product reviews right here. But in my case, it's already installed into my store because I have used it already. And if you haven't yet, then you can click here on the install button, and then once it's installed, then you can now open it. Alright, so now here we are. We can finally import our reviews using this app. And what I like about this app is that it's very direct in importing reviews, unlike any other apps wherein they require you some steps before you can get started in importing. So from here, what we're gonna do before we click on import reviews is that you want to make sure that your products are here in your store already, because if you don't have that, then you would have some problems here in this app because you wouldn't have a product to import to if you don't have one. So once you've made sure your products are already good and online, then you can click here on import reviews, and you should be seeing it right here, all of your products right here. So let's say we would want to import the reviews in our t-shirt right here. So all I have to do is go into Amazon and go search for any products right here. So let's search another one, and you can choose any products that you want right here. So let's say we would want some, maybe this phone holder. So let's say this one right here. And from here, we're just gonna scroll down and let's see if it has reviews on it. So scroll down, and then from here, as you can see, there are reviews. So what we're gonna do is just copy the link and click on copy, and then from here go back into your Shopify and just paste it right here on the product URL section. Paste that, and then there it is. And then the next thing is that you would have this limit on your plan because we are only on the free plan, so it's only up to 500, and you can import all ratings if you want. As you can see, we will import all your ratings and as many reviews as Amazon limitations permit, and so on. Or you could just set a number right here. So take note that the number of imported reviews may vary due to Amazon limitations. And you can input the number of ratings that you want. So let's say I want just 15 maybe. So let's go for 15. And if you want to translate your imported reviews, minimum amount of words and so on, you can just set the settings right here. And if you want to save your settings as a template, just click here on save configuration and click on import. Once you're all good, click import, and now all that's left is basically to wait for it to finish importing the reviews on your product. Alright, so now once it's done loading and it has now been successfully imported into your store, as you can see, it says success right here. So all that's left is to put that review up on your online store. So to do that, click here on online store. And from here, we're gonna click on customize right here. Click on that. And from here, you wanna go to that certain product. So I'm gonna go to my catalog right here, and I wanna go for that product. So it's here. So I wanna click on the t-shirt. And from here, I'm gonna import the reviews. So to do that, what you wanna do is go into your app embeds first and make sure that you enable the open new app right here. And then the next thing is go back into the sections, and from here what you want to basically want to do is you want to add a block and go for apps right here and go for open new right here. So you want to go for product reviews right here, click on that, and then from here it should show up right here. And now here it is. As you can see, we now have the product reviews that we have imported, and now you can just feel free to customize it however you want, design it however you want. So that is basically it on how you can import product reviews from Amazon. Thank you for watching.